Hi friends, I'm Olivia Smith. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel where I share the latest global news every day. You can also read more news on TimeGlitter.com. You can find all the links in the video description below. Friends, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, share with others, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now let's jump into today's news. News headline: Trump calls on Alabama to protect IVF treatment after court ruling. News details: last week, the highest court in the state decided that frozen embryos should be treated with the same rights as children. People could face consequences for destroying them. Following the ruling, 3 clinics stopped providing IVF treatment. President Trump urged Alabama to find a quick solution to the matter. He expressed his support for making it easier for parents to have babies, advocating for IVF treatments across all states. Trump stated, "I stand with the majority of Republicans, conservatives, Christians, and pro-life Americans in supporting IVF for couples seeking to have children." Alabama's Attorney General Steve Marshall assured that IVF providers and their families wouldn't be prosecuted. Trump's remarks, his first on the issue, indicate his disagreement with the ruling. Some Republicans worry it could affect their electoral prospects by alienating suburban women and swing voters. Donald Trump is the frontrunner for the Republican nomination in the upcoming election and holds considerable influence within the party. To distance themselves from the Alabama ruling, the National Republican Senate Committee, responsible for supporting congressional candidates, instructed candidates to endorse IVF and advocate for increased access to the treatment. Jason Thielman, the committee's executive director, emphasized that all Republican Senate candidates support expanding access to fertility treatments, as indicated in a memo obtained by CBS, a partner of the BBC in the U.S. The memo referenced internal polling by Kellyanne Conway, a former White House advisor to Trump, which showed widespread public support for IVF access. Following the memo, several Senate candidates, including Carrie Lake from Arizona, publicly expressed their support for IVF access. Nikki Haley, Trump's sole challenger for the Republican nomination, initially seemed to endorse the ruling by stating that she considers frozen embryos as babies. However, she later clarified that she didn't support the court's decision. Several medical providers in Alabama paused fertility services due to concerns over potential legal consequences following a recent ruling, though the ruling itself does not ban or limit IVF treatments. The decision came from the state's Republican-majority Supreme Court. Democrats are using the Alabama case in their campaigns, warning voters that if Republicans win in November, they might erode women's rights. President Biden, in a post on social media platform X, formerly Twitter, suggested that the Alabama ruling was only possible because of a 2022 decision by the U.S. Supreme Court, which, with 3 Trump-appointed justices, nullified abortion rights. While conservatives celebrated the end of Roe v. Wade, the decision served as a strong motivator for Democratic voters and posed a messaging challenge for Republicans. Friends, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, share with others, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.